Also available for sale is the business known as JMH Trailers. And the business consists of all the equipment, inventory, client list, and stuff like that. Let's check it out. With the business, you can see there's all the inventory you need to run it. Included in the sale will be a lot of things that you need for a business like this. You can see it's full service for manufacture and repair tractor trailers. And here you can see a CNC plasma cutter, just one of the pieces of equipment that would be included in the sale of the business. Yeah, the business also does hydraulic cylinder repair with all the equipment here. And here you can see a lot of the equipment that's available. The CNC machines, milling machines, lathes and polishers. This would be a full service business for all the needs of the manufacturing. With the fab shop, you'll notice a large brake and full size shear for tractor trailer use, as well as other equipment.
1-inch capacity.
1-inch capacity.
And it's a 4-roll system. So
4-roll system.
It's more efficient than the 3-roll.
Definitely more efficient and available as part of the business. All right, if you're looking for industrial equipment or a business for tractor trailer manufacturer service, it's 610-209-9219. Look forward to helping you soon.